Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to guide you through creating a stunning 3D pop-out floral text effect using Canva. This eye-catching effect will add a touch of elegance and creativity to your designs. Let's dive right in. First, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner of the home page. Choose your preferred dimensions or select a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use a custom size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then, click on Create New Design button. Now, we'll add our text. Click on the Text tool and type your desired word or phrase. I'll use the word bloom for this demonstration. Then, increase the size and adjust position of the text to center it on your canvas. Now, I will change the text font form here. You can choose your favorite. I have selected Archivo Black font for this tutorial. Next, go to the Text Color tab and select a color. I have chosen this one, but you can choose any color you like. Now, go to Elements and type Flowers in search bar. Then go to Graphics and select Flowers from here. I choose this for this tutorial. Then go to Layers and bring to Forwarded. After that, resize it and adjust according to the preference. Now, we will make a duplicate and adjust it accordingly. Then, go to Elements, type Animated Butterflies, and select. And resize it according to your preference. We choose another one, resize it, and adjust it as previously. Now, go to Elements and add a square shape. Change its color to white, the same color as the background. And increase its width to fit the width of the page. Now, we make a duplicate of it. After that, click the Show Page button. Then, select duration and adjust it to your preference. Now, we will add the Match and Move transition. And increase the duration to the maximum. Now, go to Page 2, then navigate to Position and Layer. Select the flowers and adjust them accordingly. Then, select these butterflies and place them according to your preference. Bingo! We did it! Now, go to the Share button and download the file in MP4 format. Here is the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, share it with your family and friends. Stay with us for more Canva tips and tricks. Click the link in the description to try Canva for yourself and unlock endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching.